Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is the painting I did yesterday after work. And again, the white has not held its shape. If you saw the video from yesterday, you will see this, it's changed. The white lacing has disappeared, and yeah, the white has just not held its shape. So what I'm going to do is I am going to try something different now. I'm going to just paint over this. So I'm just going to put a pillow down. Again, I'm just going to take it over. Now this painting from last night, of course, is still sopping wet, but it doesn't matter. I'm just going to paint over it, because as you know, I'm still new to this, I'm still learning, I'm still practicing, so I'm going to reuse canvases. Why not? I'm not going, cost money to just use new canvases every time. So okay, it's just like that, it's fine. Okay, so what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and swipe the colors over with my palette knife. So I believe the way they do it now, I don't know, but I believe they put the cell activator on first onto the palette knife. I don't know where you are. So I'm putting the cell activator on here first, like that. Okay, and then onto that I'm going to put some color. Oh, what a disaster this is going to be. I can see a disaster coming, but anyway, let's just see what happens here. Okay, I've put some color on there, and now I'm going to swipe with that. And see if absolutely anything happens. I don't know, maybe it's just very slow to react, I don't know. Let's try it again. Just wipe it off. Put some cell activator on. Put some color. And swipe. Look, not much is happening. Shall I just keep going, do you think? I don't know if I should just put the colors down and just swipe over it. I think that will actually maybe be better. Because really not much is happening there, so let's just put some color down here. Alright, and then swipe over that maybe. Just excuse the noise in the background. I've got the heat on because it's cold in here and I don't have a jersey or anything on. Okay, let's go and see. Maybe from that way. Okay, that's doing more. There's a lot more happening now. Okay, let's do that again. Maybe put some color down here. Alright, and let's swipe over that. Okay, I'm going to go one more time. I think right there. Okay, and some activator. That is very pretty over there, and that is very pretty over there. It's not bad with the yellow. Like this I don't like, so I can just do that maybe and bring this out a little bit more. And that. There. Okay, I think let's spin this and see what we get. Let me just move some stuff out the way here. Okay, let's spin this out. Just going to go slow so that I can sort of control which way it goes. It's good enough. I'll just cover it. Okay, so this isn't bad. It does have some pretty effects. It does have lacing it's got a lot of, I mean, all of the colors in here are metallic, so you know that'll be pretty when it's dry. It's okay if it, again, if this white holds those patterns, it'll be fine. But yesterday it had lacing, and today that lacing was gone, so I really don't know. But yeah, I'm going to let this sit you know, overnight, and then we'll see if that lacing has stayed or disappeared. That's all we can do. So I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. Okay, so there it is. It's pretty, isn't it? I do like this. I do like the colors. Look at the pretty effects. It really looks very pretty. Look at that. I mean, that is gorgeous. So if those patterns stay like that, I'll be very happy. But I don't know, this white, like this lacing over here, yesterday's painting had lacing like this, and all of that lacing disappeared. So yeah, I don't know. We're just going to have to wait and see. But I do love that part. Love that. And of course, as I said, it's all metallic. It's all got glimmer of sparkles through it. The whole thing. Which is really cool. And I like the colors, you know, very, very colorful. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see what it does. Well, thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.